Having trouble seeing your Crimson Card, likely a DoorDash Visa prepaid or gift card, in the app? It's a common issue, often caused by app glitches, account verification problems, or temporary hiccups with Visa's systems. DoorDash has been rolling out updates to fix this, but here's the core reason. The app isn't properly syncing with your card details. First, ensure the Crimson Card is indeed a DoorDash-associated Visa card or gift card. If it's a generic prepaid Visa, ensure it's been properly activated and has sufficient funds. This card is linked to your DoorDash account for DashPass subscriptions, promotional offers, or gift card redemptions. If the card is valid and activated, then proceed to the next steps. To add your Crimson Card to the DoorDash wallet, go to Account, then Payments, and select Add Card. You can enter the card details manually or use your camera to scan it. Next, verify your Crimson Card. DoorDash uses Visa's security to confirm the card. This may fail if the card isn't activated, is blocked, or you need a one-time code sent to your email or phone. To refresh your wallet, try pulling down on the payment screen to refresh the list. You can also delete and re-add the card. Clearing the app's cache in your phone settings can help. Ensure your DoorDash app is updated, you have a good internet connection, and your account is in good standing. If problems persist, DoorDash's 24/7 AI chatbot can assist with wallet resets. You may also need to contact DoorDash support for further assistance.